Guys, I have something to tell you. I've been procrastinating. And also I was sick. And also I got into Transformers. And also it's the Super Bowl. But mostly, yeah, I've been procrastinating. Don't ask me for a release date on Godzilla. That's coming out eventually. Anyway, as I was saying, I got into Transformers. This is not a toy review, I guess, but why not? So this is the Studio Series Galvatron, but let's be real, for what I'm planning to do with it, it's Megatron, so that I can get it to rhyme with a thing. It's very complex and hard to transform, as you can see. I like it, but at the same time I don't. So I'm just going to, I'll do that off screen. And you'll see that off screen in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now he has limbs. What do you have to say, Galvatron? Oh, right, I haven't given him a personality yet. We'll do that later. Anyway, since we've, in typical toy review fashion, just like we did last time with, MEGALON, well, we're gonna compare, MEGALON to Megatron. And we're gonna advertise it like a epic wrestling match, like football. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, speaking of football, isn't there like some big football thing that, you know, that's happening like today? And what's that sound? Oh dear Lord, no, it's the Green Bay Packers. They've come for me. It's Super Bowl season, SOS. You know what you must do. No, I don't wanna. Make a Super Bowl commercial. No, wait, please, no. And now that that's over, nothing of that happened. That didn't happen. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. The footage is a lie. So, later today, I will be posting a trailer for the great wrestling match between MEGALON and Megatron. And that will also come out today as the Super Bowl thing. So stay tuned for that. Megatron vs. MEGALON tonight at 5.